This video provides a high-energy look at hospital change management as of 13th March 2026. It focuses on the shift from experimental AI to operational infrastructure and the critical role of leadership in navigating these transitions. Part 1. The State of the Union. The Big Hook 2026 is officially being called the Year of Alignment for Healthcare Systems. We are moving past the pilot purgatory of 2025 and into a phase where technology must deliver measurable ROI or be cut. Current sentiment, global optimism is high, with 80% of health executives in countries like the UK and Australia reporting a positive outlook. However, US leaders are more cautious due to shifting drug pricing policies and regulatory uncertainty. The change management gap. While 80% of executives believe AI will deliver value this year, only 33% have successfully operationalized it at an enterprise scale. The trend, change management, is no longer just a HR buzzword. It is the #1 barrier to high-value services. Part 2. Today's News Flash. What's happening right now in March 2026? India's massive expansion. As of 12th March 2026, the Jan Aushadhi Kendra network has reached over 18,000 functional centers, aggressively shifting the market toward generic medicine and forcing hospitals to rethink their pharmacy revenue models. Big Tech and AI deals. Amazon Connect Health launched this week to automate administrative burdens. Microsoft and Pivot Point Consulting just expanded Dragon Copilot access specifically for rural hospitals to fight clinician burnout. KIMS Hospitals introduced adaptive deep brain stimulation in India, a prime example of high-tech clinical change. Regulatory milestones. The EU Cybersecurity Reserve is taking effect, forcing hospitals to move cyber resilience from the IT basement to the boardroom. Part 3. Deep Dive Case Studies. Case Study A. The Home First Pivot, Sanford Health. The change. Sanford Health launched a massive virtual care center, embedding agentic AI for scheduling and workflow. The result, saved patients $40 million in travel costs last year and expanded virtual care to 80 specialties. The lesson, change is successful when it prioritizes patient access over traditional hospital bed volume. Case Study B. Leadership-led cost control, Purdue and Sarah Graf. The change, leaders like Candace Schaffer, Purdue, and John Torres, Sarah Graf, completely overhauled employee health plans. The result, kept healthcare costs flat or decreasing while improving health outcomes. The lesson, research shows leadership accounts for 71% of a successful change outcome. Case Study C. The Digital Front Door NHS Trusts. The change, integration of tricorder, AI-enabled stethoscopes across 205 primary care practices. The result, significant increases in early detection of heart failure and valvular disease. The lesson, meaningful change happens at the front door of the patient journey. Part 4. Pro Tips for Change Leaders. How to lead your team through 2026. Avoid the pilot trap. If a business need is strong, skip the pilot and go straight to a phase 1 enterprise-ready infrastructure. Rationalize service lines. Hospitals can't be everything to everyone. Focus on high volume, high value excellence and cut the rest. Governance over hype. 80% of hospitals still lack internal governance for AI. Build your ethical framework before you deploy the tool. Clinical entrepreneurship. Empower your doctors to be the innovators. When clinicians lead the change, the workforce resistance drops. Disclaimer: the information must be verified before use. The creator, publisher, and YouTube will not be liable for any negative consequences.